Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to talk about something that bothers millions of people worldwide: cracked heels, rough skin, and dry feet. These are not only uncomfortable but can also be painful and embarrassing. Cracked heels happen when the skin on your feet becomes too dry, thick, or loses elasticity. This dryness leads to tiny splits in the skin that can grow deeper over time. But don't worry. In this video I'll show you exactly how to get rid of cracked heels, dryness, and roughness completely with simple steps you can do at home. By the end of this video, you'll know the exact routine to follow for smooth, soft, and healthy feet. Number 1. Causes of cracked heels. Before we jump into the solution, let's understand what causes cracked heels. The most common reasons include standing for long hours on hard surfaces, wearing open shoes or sandals that don't support your feet, dehydration and not drinking enough water, skin conditions like eczema or psoriasis, health problems such as diabetes or obesity, and of course neglecting foot care. Once you know the cause, it's much easier to treat the problem effectively. Number 2. The very first step to heal cracked heels is soaking your feet. Fill a basin with warm water and add a handful of Epsom salt or a spoon of baking soda. You can also add a few drops of essential oil like lavender for relaxation. Soak your feet for 15 to 20 minutes. This softens the hard skin, makes exfoliation easier, and instantly relieves pain and pressure. Remember, consistency is the key. Try to do this every evening. Number 3. Exfoliate gently after soaking. The next step is exfoliation. Use a pumice stone or a gentle foot file to scrub away the dead, thick skin. Don't be too aggressive. You want to remove the roughness without damaging healthy skin. Exfoliate in circular motions for a few minutes, especially on the heel area. This step will reduce the thickness of the skin and prevent cracks from getting worse. Number 4. Deep moisturizing. Now that the dead skin is removed, it's time to nourish and repair your feet. Apply a rich moisturizer or natural oils like coconut oil, olive oil, or shea butter. These ingredients lock in moisture and repair cracked skin. For best results, apply the moisturizer generously at night and then wear cotton socks to trap the moisture while you sleep. This overnight treatment works wonders. Number 5. Natural home remedies. You can also use some amazing natural remedies that are cheap and effective. For example, honey works as a natural antibacterial and moisturizer. Apply it overnight as a mask. Aloe vera gel soothes and heals cracked skin. Banana paste. Mash a ripe banana and apply it to your heels for 15 minutes. Coconut oil, one of the best natural moisturizers for soft feet. These remedies are safe, effective, and can be done easily at home. Number 6. Preventing cracked heels. Finally, prevention is just as important as treatment. To keep your heels smooth and healthy, stay hydrated by drinking enough water. Always moisturize your feet after a shower. Avoid walking barefoot on hard floors. Wear comfortable, supportive shoes. And include foods rich in vitamins and omega-3 in your diet for healthy skin. If you follow these simple tips daily, your cracked heels will disappear and never come back. Number 7. Choosing the right shoes for foot support. One of the most overlooked causes of cracked heels is wearing the wrong type of shoes. When you wear flat sandals, flip-flops, or shoes with no cushioning, the pressure on your heels increases, which makes the skin more likely to crack. That's why it's important to wear good shoes that support the arch of your foot and cushion your heels. Look for shoes with padded insoles, arch support, and closed backs to keep your feet protected. Not only will this prevent cracks from coming back, but it will also improve your overall foot health and posture. Number 8. Lose weight to reduce heel cracks. Another important factor that many people don't realize is body weight. Extra weight puts more pressure on your feet, especially on the heels, which makes the skin stretch, thicken, and eventually crack. If you're overweight, losing even a small amount of weight can make a big difference in reducing heel cracks and foot pain. Focus on a balanced diet, regular walking, and drinking enough water. Not only will weight loss improve your foot health, but it will also benefit your heart, joints, and overall energy. Healthy weight equals healthy heels. Number 9. Finally, Vaseline treatment for cracked heels. One of the simplest and most effective treatments for cracked heels is Vaseline, also known as petroleum jelly. Vaseline works by sealing moisture into the skin and creating a protective barrier that allows the cracks to heal faster. Here's how you can do it. Soak your feet in warm water for 10 minutes and gently pat them dry. Apply a thick layer of Vaseline to your heels. Wear clean cotton socks overnight to lock in the moisture. If you repeat this daily, you will notice a huge improvement within just a few days. Vaseline is inexpensive, safe, and highly effective in softening rough heels and preventing further cracks. And that's how you can finally say goodbye to cracked heels, dry skin, and rough feet. With simple steps like soaking, exfoliating, moisturizing, wearing the right shoes, maintaining a healthy weight, and using home remedies like Vaseline, your feet can become smooth, soft, and pain-free in just a few days. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and of course, subscribe to our channel for more natural health and skincare tips. Turn on the notification bell so you never miss our upcoming videos. Take care of your feet because they carry you through life, and they deserve the best care. See you in the next video.